ain't really got no time for lunch date. But before the show, I hit you like a lunch plate. Baby, listen good, got me hard.
Welcome back, guys. Uploading another video real quick. Update on the car. First off, let me go ahead and say I got a YouTube, I also got a Facebook, and I also got an Instagram. So name's the same. So no matter where you go, search up G8 Madness, and you guys can like, comment, subscribe, follow if you're on Instagram. Do what you got to do. I'd love the love the support across all the boards if you guys wouldn't mind. So if you want to, you got the time, go hit a like, hit a follow on the rest of my pages. Anyway, let me go ahead and do an update on the car. So it's still at Brian Connell's house. He's still working on it. Main drawback right now is the fact that he was in an accident. For those of you who don't know, he had a accident at work 8 months or so ago, last November, and he just got another accident on his motorcycle. Ended up in the hospital, of course, and luckily he's doing a lot better than people would normally expect for someone who got in a motorcycle accident, let alone someone who got hit by a big truck, an 18-wheeler. So luckily he was in and out of the hospital in a couple days, which is super good for him. Obviously he lived, which is amazing, but the fact that he isn't more hurt than he is also extremely surprising. So hopefully he can recover from that quicker rather than later. Either way, he's had his dad and his brother work on my car while he was there, and now that he's home, I don't expect him to do much. I wouldn't want him to do much, not considering what just happened. So I wish the best for him and his whole family, because they've had a lot of really bad luck and really good luck at the same time, because he might have gotten hurt, but at least he's still here and still with us. As far as the car goes, ordered one last part, hopefully it's the last part, just a deep pan for the transmission. This way, when I launch it, it doesn't send all the fluid to the back and make the pump go dry, make the transmission go dry. So ordered a Camaro deep pan and wide mouth filter. This way it holds an extra almost, I think, 2 quarts of oil, transmission fluid, more. So it can keep fluid moving and keep the transmission lubricated like it's supposed to. So got that ordered, waiting on it to get shipped still. So that part has not shipped. Everywhere I looked was either back ordered or out. So place I ordered it from said they had it. It's from Ace. For those of you who know Ace, I ordered it from them. They said they had it in stock, so we'll see. Ordered it yesterday. It still says processing, so don't know what's going on with that. Hopefully it gets shipped out soon. I messaged them about seeing if I could get like an overnight option or anything. I've yet to hear back on that. Hopefully that can come in, but the motor's done, heads are shaved, all that's done, buttoned up. It's actually back in the car. While Brian was in the hospital, his dad and brother, I do believe, dropped it back in the car. He sent me pictures. I'll try to attach those at the end of the video. But they went ahead, threw the motor in. It's not all buttoned up yet that I'm aware of. I don't know, they might have buttoned it up since then. But they threw it in, and threw the intake and throttle body and onto all that good stuff back on. So the motor's done. They did replace every single seal in the engine. Oil pump was good though, so that's good. I actually had 2 lifters fail. It started eating up 2 of the cams. 2 of the lobes on the cam. There we go. And I think that's it for the car. Yeah, should be it. Everything except for the the transmission pan, there we go, that's what it's called, is in and done and installed. The only other thing he had left to do was obviously tune it, but also install the transmission cooler. I needed a transmission cooler for the a higher stall, because if you don't, then it gets too hot, and you know what happens when things get too hot. So I had to install that, but should be it. Should all be ordered and getting sent to him. The last part, trying to speed it up as best I can, but can't make anyone do anything faster than possible. So hopefully that comes in and can get the car back sooner rather than later. But yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the car is concerned. I think that's it. I'm gonna try to drop links down below to all of to my Instagram and my Facebook, so that you guys can head over there and like and follow and do all that good stuff. So anyway, thank you guys for all the support once again. I think I'm up to 230 subscribers now, so I've gained a couple more since the last video. It's doing great, doing awesome. Really, really, really appreciate all the support I've gotten so far, guys. So once again, thank you, stay safe, and make sure you watch for motorcycles out there, guys, because it's that time of year again right now. So make sure you double look before you do anything and end someone's life possibly. So please stay safe, stay aware while you're out there. Thank you, guys.